Hello. This video is a short introduction to the first assignment of the group seminar project, where you will work together with your group mates to design and deliver a 30-minute best practice workshop. We're asking you to work on the theme Designing and Delivering Inclusive Digital Teaching and Learning Environments. Though exactly what you choose to focus on within that is up to you. You definitely don't need to try and cover the whole topic in 30 minutes. You're probably all grappling with this throughout your work right now, so draw on that. Talk together about the bits you found most interesting or most challenging, and choose an area to look into in more depth. To do well at this assignment, you'll need to draw on the various kinds of teaching practice you've got within your group, reflect on your experiences as learners and teachers, delve into the literature, and make some solid practical recommendations for your colleagues on the module and more widely. Remember, these group-led sessions are the main taught content of the module. You're not just working towards your own grade, but teaching your peers. So think of this as an interactive seminar, albeit with a larger teaching team than usual, and think about how you can engage your learners with the aspects you've chosen to work on. I said a moment ago that you'll need to delve into the literature. There's been a lot of formal peer-reviewed research done on learning and teaching online, and also on inclusive teaching, and about how to do inclusive teaching online. But there's also, especially right now, a lot of blog posts, Twitter threads, practical guides, and so on, and you'll need to make use of the full range here. Draw on the formal research findings, but also look at what's being said right now as we all move into this new world, the pivot between online and face-to-face teaching. Finally, some practical advice. The session will be 30 minutes, and we'll stop you at that point, even if you're mid-sentence. You need to include at least 10 minutes of audience activity of some sort, and we'll add 10 minutes at the end for questions. You'll be delivering in Zoom, which will probably be very familiar to you by the time it comes. And don't assume that just because you're a group of 6 or 8, that each person needs to perform. As long as you've all been involved with designing, researching, and planning the session, we don't need to see each of you presenting part of it. Some groups choose to have one person do all the talking bit, others swap between 2 or 3. But if you try to get everyone doing a bit of presenting, it's really easy to end up with 8 mini presentations strung together, rather than one coherent session with carefully designed learner interaction. Good luck.